Today we will learn how to measure the diameter of a small sphere using a screw gauge. When a vernier caliper cannot measure very small dimensions accurately, we use a screw gauge because it gives much higher precision. This instrument helps us measure extremely small lengths with great accuracy. Now let's go step by step and understand the complete method clearly. First, we check the screw gauge for zero error. When the anvil and spindle are in contact, the zero of the circular scale should perfectly match the reference line. In this case, there is no zero error, so we can proceed with accurate measurement. Now we place the small metal sphere carefully between the anvil and spindle. The thimble is rotated gently until the sphere is tightly held, making sure not to apply extra pressure that could affect the reading. Next, we observe the main scale reading. The last visible mark before the circular edge is 11 millimeters. So, the main scale reading X is equal to 11 millimeters. Now we check the circular scale. The 27th division coincides exactly with the reference line. If the least count is 0.01 millimeters, then the circular scale reading is 27 multiplied by 0.01, which equals 0.27 millimeters. So, Y is 0.27 millimeters. Now we add both readings. Main scale reading is 11 millimeters and circular scale reading is 0.27 millimeters. So total measurement is X plus Y, which is 11 plus 0.27, giving 11.27 millimeters. Since there is no zero error in this case, the accurate measurement remains 11.27 millimeters. If there were a zero error, we would add or subtract it accordingly. Therefore, the final diameter of the sphere is 11.27 millimeters. So, that's how a screw gauge is used to measure small dimensions accurately. Remember, check the zero error, note the main scale and circular scale readings, then apply any correction if needed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel Physics Hub 3.14 for more.